Welcome to another chemistry class. This is the last class for stoichiometry. Today we'll be looking at reactions involving mass. Now we have a question here that says, determine the mass of carbon dioxide produced on burning 104 grams of ethylene. Then we have the chemical formula for ethylene, and we also have the molar masses of the individual elements found in these compounds. So like I said in the first lesson video, I said for you to solve stoichiometric question, first of all, you need to write out the chemical equation, which I've done here. Then you balance the chemical equation. Then the third step, you convert the given unit to moles. Now, the given unit we have here is 104 grams of ethylene. So converting this to mole, remember, formula for mole is reacting mass over molar mass. The reacting mass for ethylene here in this equation is given as 104 grams. We have 104 grams over the molar mass. Now, to get the molar mass, we're going to add the molar mass of ethylene is gotten by adding the molar masses of the individual element. Then we have 2 atoms of carbon. Carbon is 12 plus 2 atoms of hydrogen. Hydrogen is 1. We have 1/4 gram over 2 times 4. 2 times 12 is 24 plus 2. That's 26 grams per mole. So the mole of ethylene is given as 1/4 divided by 26, which is 4 mole. 4 mole. So this is the number, this is the amount of ethylene. Now the next step, you compare the number of moles given in the balance equation. Now in this balance equation, we have that 2 moles. Remember I said the number in front of a compound or in front of an element or molecule is the number of moles. So the number of mole of ethylene here is 2, and the number of mole of carbon dioxide here is 4. So that's why you need to balance your chemical equation. It's very, very important. So that means 4 moles of ethylene will give us 4 moles of carbon dioxide. If 2 moles of ethylene yields 4 moles of carbon dioxide, and we've already converted the ethylene moles in this reaction. So 4 moles of ethylene will give us X. So next we carry out cross multiplication. So we have 2 times X mole equals to 4 times 4. 4 times 4. So X will now be 4 times 4 over 2, which will give us 8 moles. 8 moles of carbon dioxide. So 4 moles of ethylene will give us 8 moles of carbon dioxide. Now the next thing, remember the question is the mass. So now that we've gotten the mole, we need to convert back we are going to convert the unit back to mass. So 8 moles of carbon dioxide are produced. Now remember that the question is saying the mass of carbon dioxide. So we're going to convert these moles now back to carbon dioxide. Remember, formula for mole equals to reacting mass over molar mass. And you say mass over molar mass. So we have 8 moles here. X, we don't know what the mass of carbon dioxide that is produced over molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 grams per mole. 44 is gotten by adding 12 plus 2 atoms of oxygen. which is 16 times 2 is 32 plus 12, which is 44. So that means x will be given as 8 times 44, which will give us 352 grams of carbon dioxide. So now the final answer is 352 grams of carbon dioxide. That is the mass of carbon dioxide produced when 104 grams of ethylene is burnt in oxygen.